Regulation of internal environment, structure and functions of the kidney. Define homeostasis. JAMB-UTME 2015 Question 49. State one example of homeostasis in living organisms. WASSCE 2018 Question 13. List two mechanisms of homeostasis and explain each of them. Discuss the homeostatic structures each for unicellular and multicellular organisms. Homeostasis. Homeostasis is a process by which living organisms maintain a stable internal environment even in the event of external environmental changes. The internal environment of an organism is made up of the body fluids such as blood, lymph, and tissue fluid. An example of homeostasis in living organisms is the release of phosphorus into the phloem of a plant growing in a phosphorus-deficient soil. When the plant keeps supplying phosphorus to the phloem even in the case of a deficiency in the soil, it maintains a steady balance on its inside irrespective of the lack in the soil. Mechanism of homeostasis. Homeostatic processes are controlled mechanisms which are used to detect and adjust to changes in the internal environment of the organism. These mechanisms usually include sensory detectors. They recognize a change in a given condition and stimulate the relevant body parts. Effector organs or glands. They react and restore the normal state. Structures for homeostasis in unicellular and multicellular organisms. Osmoregulation. Homeostasis in unicellular organism is ensured by the use of contractile vacuole. The main organs involved in homeostasis in multicellular organisms include kidney, liver, skin, ductless glands, hormones, and the brain, which has the overall control of the homeostatic process in the body. List three functions of the kidney. WASSCE 1989 Question 4. A. Make a labeled diagram of the mammalian kidney tubule, nephron. WASSCE 1989 Question 4. B. Describe how the kidney carries out the following. I. Water level regulation. 2. Excretion of urine. WASSCE 1989 Question 4. C. Functions of the kidney. The kidney serves as the principal osmoregulator and excretory organ in the body of mammals. It carries out the following functions. It produces heat during cold. It removes toxic wastes and harmful substances. It excretes nitrogenous wastes like urea. It maintains salt or ion balance in the body. It regulates water level in the body. It assists to regulate pH of the body. The first three are excretory functions while the last three are osmoregulatory functions of kidney. Structure of the kidney. Join our e-classes to access the diagram and detail explanation. Kidney as an osmoregulator. Kidney is an osmoregulator by maintaining the water level, salt, and pH balance of the blood, and this occurs in the distal tubules and collecting ducts of urinary tubules. Water level regulation. Too much water loss or excess salt intake may lead to osmotic pressure of the blood. This is detected by sensitive cells in the hypothalamus of the brain, which stimulate the production and release of antidiuretic hormone, ADH, by the pituitary gland. As soon as the hormone reaches the kidney, it induces the kidney tubules to reabsorb more water from the glomerular filtrate and passes it into the blood, making the urine cortex more concentrated and thus reducing more loss of water from the blood. This state helps to maintain the osmotic pressure of the blood. Excretion of urine. The unit of excretion is the nephron. Waste products are transported from the renal artery to the kidney. Inside the Bowman capsule is the glomerulus, which serves as the ultrafiltration of the waste products. The filtrate is transported down the kidney tubules. In the loop-shaded position of the tubule, more salts are added to the fluid while water is removed from it, resulting in the formation of urine. The urine moves to the bladder by peristalsis and is stored until it is ready to be expelled.